In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook sorry something went wrong problem. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when Facebook hits you with the generic sorry something went wrong error block, it means the app's client-side script has suffered a localized data desync or a corrupted browser cookie fragment is clashing with Facebook's server authentication gateway. And you can clear this error state and restore your timeline layout in under 60 seconds. So a corrupted tracking session block or broken security cookie will trap your browser in an endless looping glitch, prompting Facebook's backend server to reject your connection feed. So what you want to do is, if I go over to my browser of choice, and then I just go ahead and open up Facebook, like so. All you want to go ahead and do from this point is on the left, you're going to see this little icon. Go ahead and click on that, and then go to cookies and site data. What you want to do is, it says manage on device site data. You want to click the trash on both of the Facebook ones, or even if it's just one of them, click it and then press done. Once you're done with that, go ahead and press F5. Now it's going to ask you to re-log in to your Facebook account, but then after that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.